Alright, got the Rebel V2 back on deck and got a real strong wind now. Flipping along about 11 or 12 miles an hour. Well, 11 to 12. Bouncing in there, steady winds. Gusts up to about 16, so this will be the last flight of the day. And the only reason I'm taking it up is because I had the battery already charged. Yeah, real strong wind, so this will be it for the day. Alright, here we go. This is flying on a Turnigy 3000. Which I think helps it out quite a bit in the wind. I like this plane, and it handles moderate winds okay. Even right now you can fly it in it, but you got to really fight the inputs. Get up on a sharp banking turn like this, the wind wants to catch it and flip it, so you got to ride the ailerons, keep it over in your orientation that you want. Yeah, definitely getting buffeted around up there. It's flying at about 65–70% throttle. Even speeding it up there, we're about 85% throttle. Still getting pushed around. Gonna run out of runway. Wave it off. There's our timer. This thing is so floaty. It's a good thing, but in this wind, it's actually a bad thing. Almost lost it there in that turn. Whoa. Battery's starting to run out. Not sure I'll have time to go all the way around again. We're going to do the cardinal sin of no-no. Just set this thing down as best we can. With about a 9-mile-an-hour tailwind, I was concerned I didn't have enough battery to get it back around for another flight. Hopefully we didn't pancake out the gears. Yeah, I was concerned I was running out of battery. So I didn't want to take a chance on it, you know. Yeah, it's coming in, and the wind just got right up underneath it, and I was riding the elevator slightly, but she popped up in the air, and I was like, oh.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
With the wind, it's probably the...
Yeah, it looks like it's okay.
Really, it's more, it's going to be a crosswind.
Oh yeah, that's exactly.
Coming in with it, the way you came in was probably the best way to do it.
Well, I was just concerned I wouldn't have enough to get around, and if I did go around, that wind was just make it real tough to get it down. I was having to come in super hot. So I figured, well, you know what? I'll just go with the tailwind and cross my fingers.